Hey everybody, welcome to the series on Sull-E Force's first journey. We're headed out on a 13-day trip west to Utah from western Pennsylvania during the Christmas holiday season in 2023. This is going to be a multi-part series with its own playlist. I'll put together a separate video, hopefully in the future, about the build-out process for Sull-E and include any lessons learned and helpful advice. I do these videos for myself in remembrance of the trip and the experience. I love watching these trips every few years, and it brings back so many great memories. I'm trying out some voiceovers for the first time, and hopefully the quality of the video has improved with some new settings I'm trying. Episodes will likely be between 5 and 15 minutes long. In this episode, we're going to be leaving Pittsburgh and making our first stop in Pokagon State Park for some fun, then on through to Chicago to visit friends for the evening, and then be ready for the next episode.
So much fun.
Yeah. The kids going crazy.
And it's been here forever. Like when I was a kid. We
Yeah,
did this.
that sign out there, it indicates it's been here for a while. It looks like it's seen some upgrades though. It's pretty sweet. Boy, these voiceovers are fun. So made it into Chicago, got to see Zach and Evan, was really nice. I love Koa, he's my favorite boy there. What a good doggy. Was able to fix the brakes on Sull-E and spend some time with Zach and go out and get some food. It was really nice. Then I headed out for Des Moines the next day. Alrighty, that's the end of this episode. Hope to catch you on the next one.